these are the first visuals of the Ponzi scheme mastermind Sudipto Sen, who along with other accomplices will be produced in a Kolkata court today. While the Jammu and Kashmir police nabbed Sudipto Sen in Sonmarg along with his two accomplices, the J&K police have said that they received a tip-off from the West Bengal police on the location of Sudipto Sen.
West Bengal police yesterday night gave us a tip-off that these guys, a group constituting 2 men and 1 lady, who are involved in a very high-profile case in West Bengal, may be hiding somewhere at a tourist resort called Sonmarg. They gave this tip-off to our IG Kashmir. IG Kashmir spoke to me during the night and he said that let's work on it hard. So I contacted police station Sonmarg. The SHO police station Sonmarg, along with his team, went and conducted a search of all the entry registers of all the hotels and huts in Sonmarg. And in one of the hotels, in the registry, there was an entry. The entry was Arvind Kumar from Delhi. And the person on the counter said that this is a group which constitutes of 2 men and 1 lady. So these 2 things matched. We searched the parking lot. There was a vehicle which was of West Bengal number. So now our suspicion was right. We kept a guard at the hotel till morning. Morning, when they woke up comfortably, we went and knocked at their door. The SHO went, knocked at their door, asked them their identity, did a search of their belongings and their search in the presence of the Sarpanch of that area and in the presence of 2 witnesses, as the procedure goes, as the legal procedure goes, and he found that yes, these are those 2, this is that group, these are those 3 people. So, but still we were not very sure because the case is of West Bengal. So we waited, we contacted West Bengal police. They said that we are deputing a team now. One person of that team could get a connecting flight who landed here at about say 2:30, and he confirmed that yes, this is the same people which are wanted in West Bengal. After that, we confirmed that yes, we have detained these people.
Right. And
this is the sequence.
What next now, sir? What's the next procedure?
Now these culprits are with West Bengal police. Tomorrow a larger team of West Bengal police is coming. They will produce these accused in front of the concerned magistrate and take a transit remand. They will put their FIR and their requirement of these people in their case and acquire a transit remand from the judge concerned and then transport them to West Bengal.
Right. In fact, as I said, any moment from now, a high-level Kolkata police team will arrive here in Ganderbal, which is a place in central Kashmir district, very close to Srinagar. They'll go straight away to the district police line here in Ganderbal, take custody of the 3 accused, take them to the district court here in Ganderbal at around 10:30 to 11, and seek a transit remand from the magistrate. That will really happen. In fact, that could take anywhere between half an hour to 1 hour. And after that, we have been told that straight away from here, they'll go to the airport, from where they'll be taken to Kolkata, and it is once they reach Kolkata, then only the Kolkata police will start the real investigation in this. They'll grill these 3 people, and then only we'll get the final, in fact, the minutest details of facts about how they really managed it and how they really cheated all those many people who really had their money, in fact, their money that they really had really earned through their sweat and blood, really being cheated in such a brazen manner.